Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna showing to you how to design this product phase, to design this product e-commerce card design, product card. That means this is the product card, and this is the this is the 3D product card design. So I hope if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. So stay tuned. Web code game. So let's go to the code without wasting of time. So just you have to go to your project folder, and that just simply type here cmd and type here cmd, then click this enter, and you will write here just code dot, then it will be automatically opened in the Visual Code Studio. Okay, so this is our startup files in this project folder, and this is our project folder. Okay, so inside of this project folder, like that, style.css and tab.js. So okay, so at first just I'll create this index.html markup. Okay, so this is the visual by default code. So code with, okay, so inside of this heading tag, just I will link up this css file, then style.css. so inside of the body tag, just I will connect in my script.js, like that, type here js slash and then app.js. okay, so in this here, okay guys, so now I'll come back in my browser and refresh it. Inside of this here is nothing. Okay, so just I will write here h1 welcome to webcodecam, then you will show that heading tag in this here. Okay, so this is the basically our project. Startup file is ready now. Dot, just I will create this container. Inside of this container I will create another card, like that. Inside of this div I will create another div, images, or that will be just image box. Here just I will set another div, like that, circle. Okay, in this circle I will set another image, like that, image, then slash image box. So inside in this after div, like that, I will set another button inside of this, like that, sizes. Okay, just I'll change this info box. So okay, so this is basically our card items, like that, h1, then dot title, Adidas, then inside of this button just I will create this another heading tag like that, good shows. And just I will come back in my browser and refresh it, and you will show that this is our design. Okay, just index.html markup design. Okay, so this is the basically our, like that you can call this foundation in the design structure. So in this heading tag, just I will give this another sizes like that, or inside of this tag just I will give this div dot sizes. Inside of this just I will give this button, and it will be 6. Here inside of this I will give this another button name like that, 8, and just here I will declare it this class name just active. Okay, so just I'll try for active. Okay guys, so just simply I will delete this here. Okay, it will show that I will give this another button name like that, 9, and inside of this I will give this another button like that, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, button like that, 10. So after this div tag I will create this another button like that, it called parses, CSS parses. So just I'll give this another button inside of this parses. So okay guys, so just I will come back in my browser and refresh it, and it will show that this is the pagination, and here is the button parses. Okay, so this is our basically index.html coding structure. Just now I will come back in my folder like that, style.css. Then this is the automatically design. So inside of this, if you want use it your Google Fonts, then just simply you have to go to Google and simply type here Google Fonts. Google Fonts pop-ins, that is the, I like it very much. So this is the coding here. Okay, so just click this import radium button and select this. Okay, just copy this from here. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Okay, so this is the basically our element and body tag structure. So inside of this body tag, just I will copy this inside in my index.html code, and just I will give this like that weight 50%, and it will be simply like that display flags. Okay, display flags inside of this, just it will be just center, align item, it will be just center. So in this here I will give this when I will complete this designing structure, then you will show that what happened. Okay, so transform like that, I don't use transform here, just I'll use it transform style like that. Preserve 3D. Okay, as like this is the 3D card design, so obviously we'll use it. Mean height, that means 80 vertical horizontal. Inside of this width like that 30 rem, and it will be just mean height width. Okay, so here is just I'll use it box shadow, so like that 0 then 20 pixel on left right, margin padding like that top bottom. Okay, so in this here just I'll give this, I'll use it RGB. Set of this like that I'll use it 0, then 0, here just I'll use it 0.2. Okay, so 0.2. This practice is very good in this year when you'll just designing your website or a web template or anything, then this is the good practice. Okay, border radius, so inside of this border radius like that I will use it 30 pixel, and you will just come back in your browser to refresh here, and you will show that this is our box shading system, and just use it only on lines and what happen inside your design. So just you will show that in the box shading system. Okay, like that margin padding and left right. Okay, here just I'll use it padding, obviously it will be just 0 rem, and inside of this are 5 rem. Okay, so here just I'll come back in the browser and just copy this image box and paste it here. Mean height like that 35 vertical horizontal, and inside of this I will use it display, it will be flex. Okay, so justify contain center, and here align item like that center, and it will show the inside of this image box. Then I will use it so I am going to like that to copy this image box, and inside of this images only, at first I have to create this class in this here, and okay, style copy and paste it, and images, and inside of this, so I will give this width like that, mean 30 rem inside of this, and here just I will get this background like that, only background, and it will be just a linear gradient. Okay, so inside of this linear gradient it will be just two, at first right, then comma, you see RGB, and it will be just color code for the RGB. Okay, and when you will use it RGB, then just use it to your color code in this here. Okay, 0, then 194 comma, and in this here just 255, just use it comma, and just I will use it in this here, just CF or CFFD8. Okay, this is the color code like that. position will be just obsolete. For that, border radius will be just inside of this 50% until show that like the jet index, and it will be -1. So inside of this here, just I'll use it image info box, and here just h1. Okay, so then just I'll copy it and paste it here like that, info box h1, and here just I'll use it with, that means 20 RAM. Okay, so inside of this just I'll use it jet index, and here this is the one, number of 1, and here just I'll use it transition, like that means all 0.5 or 4 second, like that is out, and then here just I'm gonna creating this another class like that, image box, that means image box, then circle. Okay, that means circle. Just now why in this here I'm going to use this like that, image.rent.circle. Why not in the previous class? So this is the mainly in the step-by-step design. For that just I will give this. Okay, so inside of this like that image circle, then I will play this weight, that means it will be 3 or 14 RAM. Make sure that spelling are correct, then it will be okay. And here just height will be just same, and use it rem, and background color just I will use it background, then linear gradient. Inside of this here same I will use it no, just I will delete this, I don't need this. Okay, so already I have completed this inside of this. Inside of this image box, then after that image info.image dot, then inside of this just I will use it image box, that means here just I will use it circle, and here I will use it with, that means 40% 40 pixel, or just I will use it 40 RAM. Inside of this I will use it height, that means it will be similar inside of this here just dot circle, use it image box and image. Here I will use it background, and what's wrong in this here, image box, then call this image and just design this, and in this here use your image box, then circle, just right here. Okay, also write this code simply, this is the very simple code, and in this here info box that h1, then you just right here. Okay, so then info box dot h3, then after that just it will become then just like that size, copy this and paste it here. Okay, call this class. So inside of this you can easily write you can easily write this code. Okay, so in this here just I'll simply give this display flex, don't need to block flex, and here just I will use it just to make content. It will be just center, not a span, a space between. Okay, so inside of this like that transition, that means it will be just all 0.5 second and age out. So just I'll come back in my browser and to simply refresh in this browser. Okay, so you will show that here is the pagination and here is the button. Okay, so now I'll give this sage dot sage and here I'll use it button. In this here just I will use it padding, that means padding will be just 0.5 RAM and inside of this 1 RAM. So background will be just none. Here just box shadow, that means it will be 0 pixel, and here I will use it 5 pixel. In this here like the 10 pixel, then I will use it here in this RGB. After that in this box shadow like that I will use it border radius. It will be just simply I will give this 30 pixel. Inside of this cursor will be pointer, and font height, that means it will be bold. Color just I will give this 6DFF 0. So inside of this here just I will refresh in the browser and it will show that here is the pagination like that. This is the button, so button is very smooth. Okay, so looking good. And just I will give this active like that dot sage inside of this, then button, then dot active. Here just I will use it background like that. Anything color code you can use it, so don't worry about this color code. So just matching this. Okay, I'll refresh this and it will show that color code is there. It's black, then it will be better for looking. Okay, just check it, black, and background color will be different in this here. Okay, after that this the not like that, not much better, but then I will give this purchase button and just click this margin top. Inside of this top just I will give this 3 RAM. Okay guys, so in this here I'll give this, just I'm going to index.html code and just copy this and paste it, let it copy, and inside of this paste it. Okay, so that then I'll paste it here and just give this button, then it will be width like that, here 100 like that, 100%. Inside of this padding will be 1 RAM. And so okay guys, so this is our basically our design with HTML and CSS code. So just now I'm going to in the JS folder and in this app.js file, just simply I'll type here in the to type of function like that. Another is animation movement like that, animation layer, animation movement layer. Okay, just simply I'll comment this line. Okay, here just I'll use it const, that means, and here I'll give this container, just I'll simply write here container equal document dot query selector, and in this here just I'll call this container. Previously we'll use it in this here, just I'll write here const like that card equal document dot query selector. In this here just I'll select this card. Okay, so make sure that it's semicolon. Inside of this here just I'll create items, make sure I'll comment this line. Okay, then just simply I'll copy this and paste it here more times. Okay, and in this here just I'll change this name. Here I'll give this title, and previously I will change this here title, and here you will show that the variable like that different type of name, and just simply give this in this your title card, and like that this name is will be similar for that app.js. And now I am creating in this here animation movement like that. Here just I will create the animation movement event. Okay, movement event. Inside of this movement event like that I will create the container dot at the add event listener, then inside of this mouse over like that, mouse move, then I will click this event function. Inside of this just simply will set let axis, that mean axis. Okay, so it will be just window dot inner width. Okay, inner width divide like that to inside of this e dot, that means pages, page x, and just divide by the 25. Okay, so inside of this, just I will copy this and paste it here and change this like that, x axis, and in this here y axis. Okay, so just change this inside of this here x, and it will be just simply convert this y, and inside of this here just I will use it card dot style dot transform equal, and using this template string here, and just rotate will be just y, and if you want like that x, then you can use it, so don't worry. That means inside of this axis, x axis, okay, x axis, then here just degree, rotate x, that means just copy this and paste it here, change it here. Okay, so y, and make sure that it just now in this inside of this, just I will use it animate. Okay, so simply I'll just type here in this here animated.in and just translate this and rotate your as like as you want. So description dot style dot transform and versus then transform and animated out like that, and here just animated out and pop back. So this is the basically same same design with that pixel. So for this just I'll skip this here. Okay, so just I'll come back in my browser and refresh it, and it will show that there is nothing happen this site. Okay, okay, so this is our JavaScript is working now. So basically this is the product card design. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and obviously if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So okay guys, thanks for watching.